Changing a password on Agoda is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your password easily. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Agoda website or open the app and log in using your current credentials. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. This is usually found by clicking on your profile icon or name in the top corner of the screen. Step 3. Select Change Password. In the account settings menu, look for the option labeled Change Password or something similar. Click on this option to proceed. Step 4. Enter current and new password. You will be prompted to enter your current password followed by your new password. Make sure your new password meets any specified requirements for security. Step 5. Save changes. After entering the required information, click on the Save or Update button to finalize the change. You should receive a confirmation that your password has been successfully updated. Now you can log in with your new password. Remember to keep it secure and consider using a password manager for future reference.